My name is Blake Bovender. I'm from South Carolina and I am a high-performance alt-fuels automotive major. I first heard about the University of Northwestern Ohio in my automotive class in high school. We had an ambassador come in and he told us about the school and showed us pictures and told us about everything, and that immediately got my interest. I was hesitant on it a little bit because it was so far away from home, but multiple people I already know in the field, family, friends, people that work within NASCAR and ARCA told me this was the best school you could come to. I'm also really big into off-roading, and I've had some big off-road shops as well tell me that this is a great school to come to, that they choose from here first. If they see UNOH on a resume, they know they're gonna want those people first. So it was a no-brainer after that. Back at home, my family and friends weren't really into cars. I got into cars by getting my first car. Like, it just clicked in my brain. I didn't know what I wanted to do till I got my car. When I came here, I probably couldn't have changed the spark plug. And right now, about to graduate, I could fully build an engine confidently that I'm sure could beat most others. What I really love about UNOH is probably the instructors and the people I go to class with. A lot of the instructors, I've been here 3 years, and teachers I haven't had classes with in like 2 years still remember me by my full name. They remember everything about me and my vehicle, and the amount of knowledge I've learned from them is, you can't get it anywhere else. They know everything. They've worked in the field, they've built their own cars, and they get involved with you. They aren't here just to collect a paycheck. They actually want to teach you. I am the vice president of the off-road club here. I also did a little bit of autocross a while ago. The off-road club, it's honestly been one of the biggest parts of my life since joining this school. The amount of growth I've had in that club alone has been huge. I've learned how to email, how to network, how to make connections. And these connections I can take with me in the field and leave for future students coming in. That way they have a way to get parts and connections. A lot of the clubs at the school are that way. They'll teach you how to network and connect and get involved with people in your field. And also it's a great way to build relationships with people. The amount of my friends I have now that have come from the off-road club alone is probably 90% of them. Off-roading, we go to parks like every weekend. We go far when we go to these parks. I know one trip we just got back from, we went to Windrock, Tennessee, which is one of the biggest parks on the East Coast, and we were there for a week, and we did almost every trail there. It was like 300 square miles of trails. And this next summer, we're talking about a trip to Moab, Utah. So yeah, the clubs are a huge part of the school for me. They're also a great way to get involved and meet people. Without the clubs, I wouldn't be anywhere near the kind of person I am now. So getting the high performance degree, on top of teaching you everything you need to know in the high performance field, it also shows employers that you can stick it out and stick with a hard job, and that you also know what you're doing. Because not just anybody can get a high performance degree. It also teaches you things that you aren't going to learn on YouTube or just in your garage or doing it yourself, because there's a lot of misinformation out there, and here you have the best teachers, the best instructors, the best people around that are going to teach you everything you need to know about the high performance field. And that degree will tell all employers, everyone around you, that you know what you're doing. So everything in the high performance industry ties into the automotive degree. Everything you learn in automotive is your basics into the high performance program. Everything you're going to learn with your high performance degree is going to make that much more sense and go so much further if you have a good automotive base. So I would highly recommend taking all the automotive programs along with your high performance program. So when I graduate from here, the career path I ideally like to go down would be to work on a Baja team out west, like the Baja 1000, all the big trucks that go over the sand dunes going really fast. And the high performance degree you get from UNOH is perfect for that, especially with our high performance steering and suspension program. And the Baja World suspension is a huge aspect of it. And this school will teach you everything you need to know to tune a car perfectly to run over the dunes and win any Baja race there is. You have so much fun up here. Time flies by. I know I just got here back in August of 2020, but it feels like it's only been a month. Everything you learn here, you're gonna keep with you your whole life. I'd even use it as a hobby. I would recommend UNOH to anyone who wants to get involved into the high performance area if they've got any interest in racing, drag, circle track, NASCAR. If they like big engines and going fast, this school's perfect for you. I do feel like I made the right decision coming here. I wouldn't be anywhere near where I am now if I didn't.